Good morning, Mr. Jha. This is Ramkumar from
Good morning,
Chennai.
sir.
So
Good
you can
morning.
start the class, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
So, good morning to everybody. I am Javaga from NSTA Chennai. So, today's topic is trigonometry. So, in that I divided all the topic very easy, but concept carefully you have to listen. So, for doing type 1, I have divided into 9 types. For doing type 1 problem, so these are the notes required. So before that, what is trigonometry? It is a branch of mathematics which studies the measurement or a relationship of 3 sides and 3 angles of a triangle. So you know triangle. Triangle contains 3 sides and 3 angles. Here I am drawn on a right angle triangle, whatever may be the triangle. So triangle normally, let us assume on right angle triangle because figure available. It contains 3 sides and 3 angles. What are the 3 sides? AB, BC, and AC. What are the 3 angles? Angle A, angle B, and angle C. Now read, it is a branch of mathematics which studies the measurement and the relationship of 3 sides and 3 angles of a triangle. So in the chapter, we are going to study about the measurement and the relationship of 3 sides and angles of a triangle. That is called, tri means 3. Metry means measurement. So 3 sides and 3 angles, the relationship and measurement we are going to study in this chapter. For doing type 1 problem, these are the notes required, or you can say formula required. So the first very important this chapter introduction is what are the ratios. So assume on right angle triangle, let ABC be a right angle triangle. The very first ratio in trigonometry is sine theta. Sine with some angle, theta, B, any letter. The very first ratio. Sine theta, the formula for sine theta is opposite side divided by hypotenuse. In the figure, opposite side is AC and hypotenuse is the longest side, AP. When theta available in the B place, opposite side to the angle theta. Here theta. So that is very important. Opposite side is not depends upon the angle. Theta available here. So the opposite to the theta angle. Adjacent side means the nearest side to theta angle. So 3 sides, opposite side, adjacent side, and hypotenuse. That is side name. The very first ratio is sine theta, the relation between opposite side and hypotenuse. Opposite side divided by hypotenuse is called sine theta. 3 letter we are taken means SIN, sine theta. Similarly, second ratio, cosine theta, short form cos theta, the ratio between adjacent side and the hypotenuse. BC divided by AP. The third ratio, tangent theta, 3 letter taken means tan theta, the ratio between opposite side and adjacent side. AC divided by BC. The 3 ratios are very, very important. Together it is called first set ratio. Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, all the 3 ratio combinedly called first set ratio. Once you understand the 3 ratio, other ratio we can develop. The fourth ratio, fifth ratio, sixth ratio are the reciprocal of the first set. Fourth ratio is cosecant theta, short form COSEC, cosec theta. 5 letters you have to take. You have 3 letter taken means already cos theta available. The ratio between hypotenuse and opposite side. I already told it is the reciprocal ratio of the first set. First set sin theta means opposite side divided by hypotenuse. Second set first ratio is cosecant theta, simply ulta ratio. Reciprocal, hypotenuse divided by opposite side. Similarly, secant theta, reciprocal of cos theta. Cotangent theta, short form cot theta, COT, reciprocal of tan theta. So the sixth ratio very, very important. Then little idea about a ratio and the reciprocal ratio. Reciprocal means ratio. Sin theta reciprocal ratio is cosecant theta. Objective question. Reciprocal ratio of sin theta. Cosecant is similarly cos theta, secant theta, tan theta, cot theta. I already told sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, first set. Cosecant theta, secant theta, cot theta, second set. Similarly, reverse. Cosecant theta, for cosecant theta reciprocal ratio sin theta, secant theta reciprocal cos theta, cot theta reciprocal tan theta. Then little idea about ratio and co-ratio. What is meant by co-ratio? This idea required for finding out some type of problem. Sin theta co-ratio is cos theta. How it is coming? You add word co. The sin theta, the full name is SINE. Sin theta, if you are adding cosine theta will come. Short form is cos theta. You go to second, cos theta. Already co available means remove it. Co not available means add it very easily. First ratio sin theta, co not available, add it. Cosine theta, short form cos theta. Second, cos theta co ratio, already co available, remove it. Cos theta means full name is cosine theta. So sin theta will come. Similarly, tangent theta, you add cotangent theta is the co-ratio. Cosecant theta, remove secant theta will come. Then secant theta, add cosecant theta. So it is a co-ratio idea. Co-ratio, reciprocal. Already 6 ratio we studied. Then this idea, ratio, reciprocal ratio, ratio, co-ratio. Then go to formula 7. Once all the formula in the available in the mind simultaneously same time, then only type 1 problem very easy. Sin theta, prove that sin theta is equal to 1 by cosecant theta. Yes, it is a reciprocal ratio. Sin theta first ratio. Cosecant theta first ratio in the second set. Both are reciprocal. Proof not so important. Just read the formula. Sin theta first set ratio. First ratio. Right hand side cosecant theta first ratio, but second set. Both are reciprocal. So the reciprocal formula very important. Sin theta is equal to 1 by cosecant theta. Similarly, 8th formula, cos theta is equal to 1 by secant theta. That means cos theta can be replaced by 1 by secant theta. Similarly, 1 by secant theta can be replaced by cos theta while doing problem. Formula number 9, tan theta means 1 by cot theta. That ratio. Third ratio the first set, right hand side, third ratio the second set. Formula number 10, cosecant theta 1 by sin theta. So similarly, secant theta, cosecant theta. Cot theta means 1 by tan theta. Third ratio, both are reciprocal. Any one of them is a reciprocal. 13, 14, 15 not so important. Anyway, one time read. Prove that sin theta into cosecant theta is equal to 1. How? You see the proof, left hand side sin theta, cosecant theta, you apply the formula, hypotenuse to hypotenuse will get cancelled, it becomes 1. Similarly, 14th formula, cos theta into secant theta, 1. 15th formula, tan theta into cot theta, 1. 13, 14, 15, very easy. Then 16th formula, very important. Most of the problem we are using this formula for solution. Prove that sin theta divided by cos theta is equal to tan theta. How to remember? First ratio divided by second ratio is equal to third ratio. Sin theta divided by cos theta is equal to tan theta. Proof I am given, but try to memorize the formula, very important. Sin theta divided by cos theta, you apply the formula, simple only. And do the calculation. apply the formula opposite by hypotenuse, adjacent side, then hypotenuse will get cancelled, right hand side tan theta will get. So proof not important, but formula very, very important. Sin theta divided by cos theta, tan theta. Similarly, 17th formula. Cos theta divided by, so proof same order. Cos theta divided by sin theta is equal to cot theta. How it obtained is a derivation. Cos theta formula you apply, sin theta formula apply. Hypotenuse cancel, cot theta will get. 18, 19 also not so important. After doing problem, you will understand. So 20th proof, previously described type, very, very important. Proof very easy. Prove that sin square theta, very, 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 very important formula in trigonometry. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. How, suppose proof, if you want to miss, you assume one right angle triangle. Let ABC be a right angle triangle where theta is the angle. All the sides are given in the figure. As per Pythagoras theorem, if you want to make prove it means you can call Pythagoras formula. Sum of side square is equal to hypotenuse square. A square plus B square is equal to C square as per Pythagoras formula. Now you take left hand side sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. From the sketch, so you apply the formula for sin square theta. So directly, other things not important, directly go to formula. Sin square theta formula from the sketch is B divided by C means sin theta. B square means B square divided by C square means sin square theta value. You see, sin theta value B by C. Sin square theta means B square divided by C square. Cos theta means from the sketch is A by C. Cos square theta means A square divided by C square. Now you call left hand side sin square theta plus cos square. Just add it. A square plus C square divided by C square. Right hand side you divide throughout by C square. So you get sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So this assumption of sketch only important. Once you assume the sketch and put ABC and start from left hand side, apply the data directly, you will get. So the formula very, very important. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. And this is the general formula. You can derive two more formula. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. If you are keeping sin square theta alone in the left hand side, cos square theta will go to right hand side. So sin square, another formula. Sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Similarly, cos square theta alone left hand side, if you are keeping 1 minus sin square theta in the right hand side. So the tick formula very, very important. Sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Other formula not important. Then cos square theta alone we are keeping left hand side, right hand side become 1 minus sin square theta. Then formula, so by using this idea, we can derive two more formula. Prove that 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. Similar proof. The sketch and everything same. Draw the sketch like this. Then directly apply, you take left hand side 1 plus tan theta value. Tan square theta value you find out, it becomes B square divided by C square. Similarly, secant square theta value find out from the figure is C square, and the substitute means the formula proof possible. Just keep the formula in mind. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. MCQ exam means proof they will not ask, but the formula important. Similarly, formula number 22. 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta. So 22 formula we studied. All the 22 formula in the mind, then the type 1 problem become easy. So try. It's not very tough problem. All the formula are same time if you are keeping in the mind, problem become easy. Little practice only required. So for example, I am doing some of the problem. So assuming that all the 22 formula available in the mind, how to attack the very first line if you are attacked with the correct then right hand side become easy. Solution easy. It will practice only required. Prove that tan square theta within bracket 1 minus sin square theta equal to sin square theta. If you are one time read, straight away start. Right left hand side is equal to tan square theta into 1 minus sin square theta. So I am giving some little idea how to start. You see the right hand side only sine ratio available. Left hand side tan ratio available, sine ratio also available. How to start? If you are thinking you will not get it, straight away up, whenever tan theta coming, you apply the 16th formula. Don't think too much. Whenever tan theta coming, is straight away apply the 16th formula. Wherever tan theta coming. Sin theta divided by cos theta. Why? We don't know. Whenever tan theta coming, you start with the sin theta divided by cos theta. But tan square theta, so sin square divided by cos theta. Keep the right hand side in mind. Right hand side sin square theta available. Now, so cos square theta don't want. So within bracket 1 minus sin square theta available, it is nothing but cos square theta. Cancel cos square automatically. We'll get right hand side sin square. So without idea, we started. Whenever tan theta coming, you apply the formula, then you think with the right hand side. Automatically you get into the idea, problem became easy. Solve the problem like this. So first line sorted correctly means problem quickly it will cover. Finish. Cos square theta minus sin square theta equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. So don't think that trigonometry is tough. Type 1 is not tough. Little practice required. Cos square theta minus sin square theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. You see right hand side only cos ratio available. First you straight away write left hand side cos square theta minus sin square theta. Then you think right hand side only cos ratio available. You remove the sin ratio. Cos square theta minus sin square theta. Another formula is 1 minus cos square theta. You call whenever sin square theta cos square theta coming means you straight away go to formula number 20. One time I will go at back, come back. Formula number 20, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Then direct sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square. Two idea you keep it in mind. Whenever sin square theta cos square theta coming means you apply attack with this formula. Sin square theta plus cos square theta or sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta is equal to 1 minus. In other place you apply the 16th and 17th formula. Sin theta by cos theta tan theta, cos theta by sin theta. So the three formula play a major role. Then remove the bracket. Automatically cos square, one will get cos square become 2 cos square theta. So problem number 3. Cosecant A divided by cot A plus tan A is equal to cos A. You write left hand side as it is. So I already given idea. You see the right hand side cos A. Left hand side how to start? No idea. You think don't think. Whenever cot A tan A coming means apply 16th formula and 17th formula in the denominator. And cosecant A, you convert into first set ratio. Whenever second set ratio. So another idea. Whenever second set ratio coming, immediately convert into first set. Why? Don't ask why and other thing. Straight away convert into first set ratio. Cosecant theta. Convert into first set. 1 by sin A. Similarly, denominator. Cot A. Apply 17th formula. Cos A divided by sin A. Tan A. Sin A divided by cos A. Then you check. Problem become very coming closer, easy. Once you follow the idea, then second line automatically you are going into the problem. Keep the denominator as numerator as it is. Denominator you do some calculation. LCM taking LCM and cross multiply. Cos square theta plus sin square theta becomes 1. Then the next line answer. We are reaching closer to the answer. 1 divided by sin A. Write the numerator as it is. Put multiplication symbol and reverse the denominator. Sin A will get cancelled. So the final is only remain term is cos A1. Similarly, all the four. Problem number 3, 4, sin theta into cot theta the whole square plus tan theta into cos theta the whole square is equal to 1. Write the left hand side as it is. Straight away cot theta formula you apply. 17th formula cos theta divided by sin theta. Then tan theta, second bracket, you apply tan theta formula, sin theta divided by cos theta. Sin theta cancels, then problem is easy. Go to problem number 5. Only the first line attack. Start carefully, then the next step proceed very easily. Left hand side tan square x plus 1 divided by cot square x plus 1. Apply 20th formula and 21 formula. 21 and 22. Tan square x plus 1 is secant square x. The two terms becomes one single term. Similarly, 22nd formula, cot square x plus 1 or secant square x. But see the right hand side, only first set ratio available, tan theta. Another idea also I am given. First you attack with formula, then depends upon the right hand side, convert second set ratio into first set. Secant theta convert into just ulta, 1 by cos square x. Denominator 1 by sin square x. Then do the division, you will get into the answer. So 7 problem very easy, similar model. 6 to 7 similar model only. Just formula application. 6th one, just apply 21st formula. Problem number 7 also, just apply 21st formula. Then cancellation only. For type 1 problem, little practice required. Other types are very easy. Don't think that trigonometry throughout the trigonometry is like this. Only type 1 and last type only is a little typical. This type of problem available. The remaining types are very interesting problem. First type and last type. The remaining types are very easy. Problem number 8, sin raised to 4 theta minus cos raised to 4 theta is equal to sin square theta minus cos square theta. Fourth power available. Algebra idea you have to follow. Fourth power we are not studied in formula. Apply the algebra idea. A square the whole square, a power 4, we know. Similarly, right left hand side, a square the whole square. Here sin square theta the whole square minus cos square theta the whole square. Fourth power we will get. Then apply algebra formula. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Here a value is sin square theta, b value cos square theta. So first bracket become 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta 1. The balance is answer. Sin square theta minus cos square theta. Right hand side 1. Anyone right hand side may be asked. So first right hand side means stop the problem at here, or RHS 1. Second right hand side as means continue the problem again. Your second question is only sin ratio required. Remove the sin square by 1 by cos square. So 1 minus 2 cos square theta coming. Cos square theta, sin square theta coming means you apply 20th formula. Because sin square theta place, you can put 1 minus cos square theta. Similarly, cos square theta place, you can put 1 minus b. So after the mere calculation. So problem number 9, very, very important. Tan A plus cot A is equal to 1 divided by sin A cos A. Right left hand side, very easy. You apply 16th formula. Plus cot A, apply 17th formula. Take LCM. Numerator sin square theta plus cos square theta, answer is 1. So the right hand side you are getting. 10 very easy problem. 11 also somewhat easy. Left hand side right as it is. Right hand side only 1 available. Left hand side some simplification calculation required only in the denominator. Only in the denominator some calculation required. Very easy. The denominator, you take 1 sin theta out. sin theta out. So within the bracket sin square theta plus cos square theta coming. It become 1. Very simple. You are simply seeing means it looks like very tough problem. Once you apply some idea, then the next line became easy. The denominator we are putting just sin theta we are taken out. The next line answer we are closer to the answer. Bracket sin square theta plus cos square theta. It become 1. Balance sin theta by cos theta. It also tan theta. So answer. 12 also very easy. Apply 21st formula. 13th idea, same idea only. 16th and 17th formula you have to apply. And 14 also, right hand side tan power 4 available. Left hand side, you take sin square theta out. Common term, only in the numerator. The numerator, sin square theta taken out means within the bracket 1 minus cos square theta coming. We know 1 minus cos square theta also sin square theta. So automatically sin power 4 coming. Denominator already cos power 4. Sin theta divided by cos theta, right hand side. Tan power 4 coming. Problem number 16. Sin A divided by 1 by is just cross multiply. LCM method only, not tough problem. Very big problem, that's all. The denominator, how to, similar to our algebra simplification method only. Take LCM in the denominator and cross multiply. So many terms will get cancelled. And within the bracket, so my 1 will get cancelled. Cos A will get cancelled. Finally, you will get 2 sin A. The starting step is you take LCM and cross multiply. Answer automatically by cancellation you will get answer. Here also same idea. Problem number 70. Algebra idea required. A plus B, C minus D. Remove the bracket. By means of sin A, you multiply both. You will get idea. So this also same model. Take LCM, cross multiply, you will get idea. Okay. For MCQ, this more tough problem will not ask, but idea required. 19. Right hand side only cos ratio available, first set ratio available. So usual ideas. Tan theta coming, you apply sin theta by cos theta formula. Automatically you get the answer. 20th formula for a very big question. 21, a new idea coming. 1 divided by secant A minus tan A is equal to secant A plus tan A. Same term available with the sign only changed. The new idea is write the left hand side as it is, put multiplication symbol. You follow the conjugate method. You know conjugate method? You see the denominator, secant A minus tan A available. Multiply numerator and denominator with the secant A plus tan. That is the conjugate method. Secant A minus tan A available means multiply both the numerator and the denominator with the secant A plus tan A. Then you get into the problem. Just mere calculation. Multiply the numerator, secant A plus tan A coming. Multiply the denominator, secant square A minus tan square A coming. Then apply the 21st formula for secant square A. That's right hand side coming. So 22, A plus B. So the idea is either you take left hand side, simplify, try to get right hand side. So one method. Another method is you take right hand side, simplify, try to get the left hand side. Is the second method. So the third method, you take left hand side, try to simplify, right hand side not getting, no problem. Leave it. Similarly, take right hand side, simplify it. Left hand side not getting, but the right hand side, left hand side, both answers are reaching at the same value. So that also, so left to right or right to left or left answer. So after simplification, right answer after simplification, both are same, then also right. So here right hand side taken, apply the formula, convert into first side. So second A, convert into 1 by sin A. I already told the second set ratio, better you convert it to first set ratio, just ulta ratio. Then cot A, apply the 17th formula, then simplify it. Just take LCM and follow means right hand side automatically. So problem number 23. So a very big problem for MCQ. It's not advisable, but anyway, the idea I wanted to give within the root, so many complicated terms available, not complicated, some terms available. How to remove the root? So right, don't think straight away attack the problem. You are thinking means you will not get into the idea. Straight away, right, left hand side is equal to root of 1 plus cos A divided by 1 minus cos A. So within the root, you apply the conjugate method idea. Conjugate method, I already told 1 minus, see the denominator alone. 1 minus cos A, we multiply both numerator denominator with 1 plus cos A. Then this is the starting. Once you started properly, problem keeps on going. So multiply the numerator 1 plus cos A the whole square, multiply the denominator 1 minus cos square, automatically root will cancel. Next line. Root and square root coming close together means automatically getting cancelled. 1 plus cos A divided by root of that also will get cancelled. So answer automatically go into the answer. 24th model already completed. 26. Root of secant square A plus cosecant square A. So I already told now the idea. Secant A we convert into first set 1 by cos square A. Cosecant square A 1 by sin square A. Do the simplification as usual. Take LCM cross multiply it. Right hand side you will get. Not right hand. This is one idea. Right hand side you are not getting. Some answer you are getting. You take left hand side, after simplification, 1 by cos A sin A getting. But it is not right hand side. So the third method of solving the problem. Now you take right hand side, simplify it, 1 by cos A sin A coming. You compare equation 1 and 2, both are answers are same. So left hand side answer, after simplification, right hand side answer, after simplification, both are equal means we can write from 1 and 2, left hand side is equal to right hand side is equal to 1 by cos A sin. Problem number 27 also same idea. 28 for 3 more questions. This stuff is a conjugate method only. First line only I will tell. Tan A plus secant A is equal I assume as tan A plus secant A one term, the remaining one as another term. The one to place is secant square A minus tan square A put. Only one is replaced by secant square A minus tan square. After that, problem keep on going. Only starting only. For objective type, it is not so important. Go to type 2, measurement of angles. So little practice. Type 1 almost completed, but for you practice required. The idea I told. Second set ratio converted into first set. And whenever tan theta, cot theta coming, apply the 60/70 formula, sin square theta, cos square theta, apply it, then problem becomes. Measurement of angles, second type. So it's not very easy. Only one right angle we know 90 degree. 1 degree is 60 minutes. That also we know. 1 minute very easy. 1 minute is 60 seconds. 1 degree 3600 seconds. And pi radian 180 degree. It's a known idea, standard value. 1 radian 180 divided by 5. That is 57.3 degree approximately. Circumference divided by diameter is equal to pi. The ratio between circumference and diameter of a circle is called objective type question. The ratio between circumference and diameter of any circle is equal to 1. It's a constant value that is assumed as 1. What is pi? Pi is the ratio between circumference of a circle and the diameter of the same circle. What is the radian? Objective type question, both are objective question. Angle formed by an arc of circle at the center whose length is equal to radius of the circle. So one circle, you take one arc whose length is equal to radius. Now joining all the radius with arc end of the arc is joined with the center, you will get one angle. That angle is called a radian. The arc length is equal to radius means the angle formed is 1 radian. Objective type question, change 150 degree into radian. Just apply the formula. 180 degrees is equal to pi radian, therefore 150 multiply. Change 3 pi by 2 radian into degrees. Formula, reverse formula you have to, same formula. Pi radian 180 degree, so the 3 pi by 2. Just multiply with 180 by pi. Just formula, only formula required. 180 degrees is equal to pi radian. Change 50 degree, change 50 degree, 37 minutes, 30 seconds into degrees. All the degree conversion. So they want degree, minutes, seconds given. They ask to find out the degrees. Very simple. So see the answer 50 already degree. Convert 37 divided by 60 means it's a bigger degree. Small. So you keep the idea in mind. Minutes to degree. Smaller unit to bigger unit. If you are wanted to go means divide with the 60. Simple note. Whenever if you want to go from smaller unit to bigger unit, you divide with the value. So bigger unit to smaller unit means multiplication. Small unit to bigger unit means division. That idea, keep this idea in mind. Everybody knows the value, tables and everything available in the mind, you know. But whether it is to be divided or multiplied. So the idea is, whenever if you want to go from greater unit to smaller unit means multiplication. Smaller to greater unit means division. So that idea. 50 plus 37 divided by 60, 30 divided by 3600. So all the ideas, this mind. Only the tables only keep it in mind. Very easy idea. By practice you will get it. Just sample problem I completed. Type to all the products like this only. Conversion, degree, minutes, seconds into degrees or degrees into seconds or radians like that. Just go through it. Convert 46.723 degree into degrees, minutes and seconds. All are degree. 46 also degree, 0.723 also degree. 46 you keep it separately. Balance 0.723 degree, multiply with the 60, you will get some minute. Second one means 0.38 you take, multiply with the 60, second you will get. The final answer 46, the whole number become degree. The balance 0.23 is converted to 43 minutes 22.8. So easy problem only. So this type only conversion. The tables are known means problem easy. Degree to minute to degree, degree to seconds, radians to degrees. All the problem like this. By seeing you will understand. Too much explanation not required. Only tables not arithmetic. That's all. Type 3, objective type question. If sin theta is equal to 1 by 2, if sin theta is equal to 1 by 2, find cos theta and tan theta. Sin theta, you draw one sketch. Sin theta means opposite side divided by hypotenuse. So AC value 1, AB value √2. They want to find out cos theta value. Cos theta is BC divided by AB. BC value is not known. So understand, sin theta value 1 divided by √2. Draw one sketch and substitute 1 divided by AC 1, the AB value √2. Find out BC value immediately. By using Pythagoras formula. BC is, as per Pythagoras formula, we know BC square plus AC square is equal to AB square. Then substitute all the value. AC value known, AB value known. Substitute the value. Finally, we will get BC value. We will get 1. Now all the sides values are known. All the sides are known. Now anything possible. Cos theta they are asking. BC divided by AB. 1 divided by √2. Tan theta they are asking. AC divided by BC. So anyway, one ratio, by giving one ratio value, they ask to find out the remaining ratio. Sin theta is equal to 1 by √2. One theta value, one ratio value given. Any ratio possible. The only thing is, by using Pythagoras formula, you find out the unknown side. All the problem like this. If sin theta is equal to 1 by 2, find the sin square theta minus cos square theta. You draw one right angle triangle, sin theta 1 divided by 2, find out the unknown side BC by using Pythagoras formula. root 3 you are getting. Then straight away attack the formula. Sin theta already given 1 by 2 the whole square minus cos theta from the sketch root 3 by 2. Simplify it. So this type is this model only. Problem number 5. Problem number 6. Same idea. Convert cos theta into sin theta. Apply the formula. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Sin square theta means 1 minus cos square theta. Sin theta is equal to root of 1 minus cos square theta. What is the meaning? Convert cos theta into sin theta means cos theta value given means how to find out sin theta value. Sin theta means root of 1 minus cos square theta. Here cos theta is equal to 0.9 by sin theta. 0.9 means 9 by 10. Same idea. 9 divided by 10, find out AC value by using Pythagoras formula, substitute the value. So completely this model is same model. Then fourth model. For doing, if you want to do fourth model, scientific table required. Natural science table, natural cosine table, natural tangent table required. Similar to our logarithm. Logarithm value we are finding out the book, na, same idea. Sin theta, sin 44 degree 56 minutes. From the table, you see the row, there is a table required. Without table, we will not understand. Sin 44 degree 54 minutes. So the column and row available. The rows, the row you select the 44th row, and the vertical if you are seeing means 54 minutes value, 2 minutes value will get just add it. So you get the PowerPoint from me and take the logarithm book and find out the value. Similar to logarithm, the table value. So the important point I will tell. Whenever sine ratio coming, you have to add the mean difference value. 4 you must add it. When cos ratio, the important, very important point. When cos ratio, if you want to find out, means the mean difference value 8 means now, you have to subtract. The table is designed like that only. So, and sin theta value and cos theta value always positive value. Point something only will get. But for tan theta value, the ratio, all the ratio values are positive for sin theta and cos theta. For if you are seeing the table, point something, you will get. But for tan theta up to 45, before 45 degree, you will get point something value. After 45, because you will get the character value 1.5, 1.2, 1.2, so like that. Because we know tan 45 is 1. So 45 and above degree value coming is character value definitely only for tan ratio. 1 point something, 2 point, 3 point something like. For tan, you see, tan 35 degree, point something coming. Tan 50 degree, 1.1 coming. Tan 71 degree, 3 point something coming. So the table required for understanding purpose. Anyway, you take a natural science, natural cosine, natural tangent table, and try to get how to find out the value from the book. It is similar to logarithm. Logarithm value, we are how to find out the same idea. Type 5. The table is very important. Try to mark up the first row. Trigonometric values for certain degrees. Sin theta, cos theta, tan, cosecant, cot are the value. 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, and 90 degree. First ratio you try to mark up. First row. Sin 0 degree 0. Sin 30 1 by 2. Sin 45 degree 1 divided by root 2. Sin 60 degree root 3 by 2. And sin 90 degree 1. First row, if you are keeping in mind, the remaining rows we can develop. How the first row coming, that for that also idea I am given in the top. Root of 0 divided by 4, 0. Root of 1 divided by 4, 2. Root of 2 divided by 4. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. divided by 4, 4, 4, 4, and with take root means first row you will get. Don't get confused. You mark up the first row. Sin 0 degree 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. For cos, reversely take a mirror view. So 1 will come to here. 1 reversely write. 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 0. First row, reversely write. Second cos ratio you will get. Then tan, how to find out? P no sin theta by cos theta, tan theta. 0 divided by 1, 0. Tan 30 degree, 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2. 2 cancel, 1 divided by root 3. Similarly, tan 45, same value. So answer 1. So like that we can develop. 1 divided by 0, infinity. Similarly, cosecant 0 degree. No need to mark up. You see the sine row, take reciprocal. 1 divided by 0, cosecant row, infinitive. Cosecant 30 degree if you want to miss. You see the sine row, take just reciprocal. Sine row 0, 1 divided by 0, infinitive. 1 by 2, reciprocal 2. 1 by root 2, reciprocal root 2. Root 3 by 2, reciprocal 2 divided by root 3. 1 reciprocal 1. Similarly, secant and cos. So the tabular column 1 or 2 times write and practice. Problem that easy. Just apply the value and simplify. 3 sin square theta 30 degree plus 2 tan square theta 60 degree by 3 into sin theta value 1 divided by 2 take square plus 2 tan 60 value root 3 the whole square minus 5 cos 45 degree value 1 by root 2. Simplification. So the tabular column value is very simple. But the exam, similarly, second problem. Substitute the value and multiply. Problem number 3. So any doubt means get the PowerPoint self-learning chapter only. The pinpoint I am telling, whatever wherever you are making mistake, previously I am telling. That's it. You are hereafter if you are reading, you will understand. Sin theta value given, cos theta value given. They want to find out tan 30 value. Just divide. Secant 30 value also just reciprocal cos theta. Here, fifth question very, very important. If cos theta is equal to 1, find theta alone. You see the cos row. 1 is available for cos 0 degree. So cos theta is equal to 1. That is cos theta is equal to cos 0 degrees. Cos theta is equal to cos of something is equal to cos 0 means that something is 0. Theta is 0. For example, secant theta is equal to 1. Secant theta is equal to 2. What is the theta? You see the secant row. Secant theta 2. So theta is, you see, above 60 degree. Suppose secant theta 1. Theta means 0 degree. Secant theta is equal to root 2. Theta 45 degree. The tabular column known means anything possible. 6 and 7 same model. Type 6, little complication. So many formula I am given. No need to study the formula, but the concept we have to keep it in mind. Problem easy. Not visible. Wait, I will show another page. So some last page. That page is not good. I have taken photocopy the last. The same page because the page is dull. No, that's why I have taken another copy. Type 6 trigonometry values for any angle. So the table, if you are seeing, means up to 90 degree only the values are available. If you are crossing, you want to find out sin 300 degree, 400 degree sin out. For that, some notes available. So the according to graph, so listen carefully. We want to avoid so many formula. No, here bottom and the side bottom I am given 50 formula. No need to study. That is 48 formula. No need. If you keep the notes in mind. According to the graph, starting with the 0 degree, And the left hand side angle should be always measured in anti-clockwise direction. 0, 90, 180, 270 angle measured in first quadrant. It is a graph paper is divided into 4 parts. First quadrant, all ratios are positive. Second ratio quadrant, sin theta and cosecant theta are positive. You keep little this idea in mind. Third ratio, tan theta and cot theta positive. Fourth quadrant, cos and secant positive. So note, first note, you have to keep 2 notes in mind. According to first note, a graph paper is first quadrant, all ratios are positive. Sin theta, cos theta, any ratio. Sin 0 to 90. That is the first 0 to 90 is first quadrant. And the first quadrant angle coming is all ratios are positive. Second quadrant, 90 to 180. Sin theta, cosecant theta only positive. The remaining ratio coming is negative. Don't too much. I don't want to tell too much. Simply shortcut method I am telling. First quadrant all ratios positive. Second quadrant only sin cosecant coming is positive. Remaining ratios understood negative. Third quadrant tan and cot are positive. Remaining ratio coming is negative. Fourth quadrant cos and secant positive. Remaining ratios are coming is negative. And note 2 also required. All multiples of 90 degree comes ratio, you have to change it to co-ratio. That is also, after doing problem, you will understand. No, according to note 2, odd multiples of 90 degree comes means ratio changes to co-ratio. Even multiples of 90 degree comes means ratio remains the same. No need to change. So the formula, so many formula I am given, no need to study. I am given some idea. First you attack this problem, then you will get idea. If you want to find out sin 330 degree value, calculator, scientific calculator means if you are typing, you will get answer. Manually means, or with the use of natural science table, you will not get the answer. Some idea required. If you want to find out sin 30 value manually with the help of table or manually, sin 330 degree can be written like this. 330 degree divided by 90. 490s minus 30 is equal to 330. You always divide with the 90. 490s are 360 minus 30, 330 degree. Now you apply the formula. 490 minus 30. 490 means it falls on, I always measured in anti-clockwise direction. 1, 2, left hand side. 1, 2, 3, 4 quadrants minus 30 degree. 4 into 90 means 4 quadrants minus 30. It falls on fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant we already studied negative sign ratio. We put minus. So like that, first you decide the sign, whether plus coming or minus coming. Then check the number. 90 is multiplied by even number 4. So ratio no change. Sin 30 will come. So answer is minus 1 by 2. Another method, same problem. Sin 3 into 90 plus 60 also 330. So the angle falls on third quadrant. Third quadrant sin is negative. Okay. But now 90 is multiplied by odd number 3. Ratio changes to co-ratio. Sin co-ratio is cos. Cos 60 minus cos 60 answer. But minus 1 by 2 only. Answers are same. There are 2. 4 into 90 minus 30 or 3 into 90 plus 60. Answer same answer. Because question only one question. 2 different ways. So in this way, so minus plus will come. After crossing 90 degree, sometime plus value will come, sometime minus value will come. Depends upon the quadrant. So fourth quadrant, so sign minus come. So by using this idea, this problem also very, very easy. Evaluate cot theta plus tan 180 plus theta. Cot theta, very, no complication as it is you put. Plus tan theta 180 plus theta. Already ready-made formula available, no need to study. Tan 180 plus theta. 180 plus theta means for third quadrant. Third quadrant tan positive only. Second term I am, what is tan 180 plus theta? Tan 180 plus theta is falls on third quadrant tan plus 180 means 290. So ratio 2 is even number. No need to change. Tan theta coming. Go to tan 90 plus theta. What is tan? 90 plus theta. Falls on second quadrant. Second quadrant tan is minus. You put minus. 90 multiplied by 1. Ratio changes to co-ratio. 1 is odd number. Cot theta. So in this way, minus cot theta coming. So that keep the note in mind. 90 is multiplied by odd number means ratio changes to co-ratio minus cot theta coming. The second term 180 plus theta 2 into 90 ratio not changed because 2 is even number. Then simplify you are getting 0. So this type the two notes are very important. One more example I will tell, then I will understand. So it's the second part. We are doing on Friday. Friday class, we have important problems are available. Exam point of view, height and distance, so many problems available. Height and distance, how to find out. It's a Friday class I am going to take on Friday. This trigonometry is a very big chapter. One more angle. Sine 175 degree. The same idea you follow because time is up. Just to check up. Sine 2 into 90 minus 5. Cos phi coming. Cos phi value from the table you take. Sine you check 1000. Sine 1500 or tan 350 degree. Tan 4 into 90 minus 10. Which quadrant? Fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant minus tan. And 90 multiplied by even number. Ratio not changed. Tan 90 degree only coming. Minus, but tan answer is not tan 90, tan 10 degree. Tan 10 degree value book required. Minus 0.176. Tan 60 coming means we know the value. 30, 60, 45 means. Go to problem number 7, you will get idea. Sine 1500 degree. 1500 divided by 90. You will get 1690 plus 60. So 1690 plus 60 now. So now you find out the quadrant 1690. Left hand side counting 1, 2, 3, 60. 90 plus 60. It falls on first quadrant. All ratios are positive. So sine positive. 90 multiplied by even number. Ratio need not change. Sine 60 degree, you will get root 3 by 2. 0.8666. So almost we completed. Okay. Next class is on Friday. You come and join. So today's class over. Anybody want PowerPoint? You get it from PowerPoint. Read self-learning note only. Get the PowerPoint from me and read it. PDF. So I am leaving. Good day. Have a good day.
Thank you, sir.